Morning guys.
Morning.
Today we're going on a boat. Look at Natalie's earrings. Well, oh wait a minute. Sorry, I'm looking away down here because the normal camera, this is the phone camera we're on, so we need to look up here. So we're going on a boat to see whales and dolphin.
And swimming.
And swimming. It's called, is it a catamaran? Is that what it's called?
Catamaran.
Catamaran, sorry.
Firebird.
The Firebird Catamaran.
Freebird.
Much as the...
It's the Freebird.
It's the Freebird, sorry. The excursion is how much? I can't remember much, but 55 each. We'll get Natalie to put it down here if I've got it wrong, basically. But we're absolutely buzzing. We can't wait.
We get lunch included as well.
I know.
In 4.5 hours. So.
We get to go off the boat. Natalie's taking her snorkel and all that. We'll get a GoPro and we'll show you and everything.
I'm so excited.
So we're running a wee bit late. We're going to get going. So I just wanted to show you the Marina. Here it is, just here. Just round the corner. They've got a lot of like obstacle stuff. Don't you call it an obstacle course in the water? And here's just the beach. Right, so it's just arrived at our gate, but the boat doesn't look as if it's in yet. Looks quite busy today. That's us now boarding. How cool is this boat? Apologies if this is a wee bit shaky. Like I said earlier, we're just using the phone, so I'm not too sure how the image stabilisation is on this compared to the actual big camera. Oh, watch your step. We are just going to the side here because the sunbeds at the front are €20. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready for your trip?
I'm so excited.
So ready, aye.
I'm not sure, I've already taken
You take your seasick
I've
pills.
took my seasick pills, aye, so we'll see how I go on. Thank you.
We're not going from Newcastle to Rotterdam, so you'll be fine.
Should be alright. Here's just the inside the wee bar. Some cracking seating. How cool's that? This is lovely. Georgie's just away at the back of the boat, taking some photographs. And we're actually going to some pelt. I mean, Natalie.
Water is so good. I'm feeling my Moana.
And I'm not. I check your jet ski. Look how far we're at. We've only been maybe, what, 10 minutes if we're lucky.
10 minutes.
And Natalie was just saying, see that where the line meets the sea?
See that line where the sky meets the sea? It
calls
calls me, and no one knows how far it goes.
We've just seen some dolphins over here. Just here, check it out. They're not really coming up. Sitting on the edge of the water. So cool, man. Just poked their head out a wee bit. There's 3 of them there. They look absolutely amazing. Every so often one will just jump out. I've come inside just through the window, see if I can get a wee bit of video of them here. Just see them there, in front of the boat. Oh. How is it amazing, there's a rock face. How cool is this? Oh, well, I say cool. It's rocking a wee bit much for me. And that's just going in. I'm no.
No a wy czemu się nie kąpiecie? Przejdzie wam wszystko. No oczywiście.
Just jump in. Just jump in.
No widzisz? Oni nie chcą. Mokra nie wchodź, bo zamoczysz. Mokra nie.
Can I see it over there? Okay, okay. Okay, super.
Dobrze, zawalić z tego, będzie dobrze.
So now the two of them are in. They're both in swimming about. Loving it.
Nie!
Georgie almost drowning. I just wanted to show you the size of the cliffs here. The size of that. And that's still out there. Georgie says he was going in, but he's not done it yet.
What? I'm not jumping in. Hello.
How was that? Enjoy it? So we've literally just came off the boat tour.
So we did, Christopher.
Aye,
Were you
we
on the
did.
boat?
Aye, I was on the boat. And I don't think I'll be going on it again. It's no for me.
I know, I was on there.
Boats are no for me.
We
But
had,
they two loved
Paella
it.
was brilliant, by the way.
we had the
Aye, I
best
forgot to
day.
show you Georgie's paella. He had 2 plates of paella.
A banana
Ridiculous.
and a bread.
Exactly.
I got a spare banana in my bag.
They too would highly recommend it. For me, no really. I don't like it.
We saw
Oh,
some
that's not
whales.
fair. You just don't like boats.
I don't like boats. I know the tour.
It was so much value for money. We had like 4.5 hours. We got to jump into the sea.
Swim with dolphins and whales.
It was so good.